This is Craig with Carshalton Advisory. We're going to go through part 1 of the Objective 1.3 practice tasks for the Microsoft Excel Core 2016 Study Guide. Let's get started. To begin with, we're going to open up the Excel 1.3 workbook. And once this is open, we need to change each of the worksheet tabs to a different color from the theme color palette. All right, so in order to do this, what we can do is right-click on each of our tabs. I'm just going to make it a little more obvious for you. We're going to go to tab color, and then we're going to choose a different color from our theme color palette. So these are our theme colors. There are, looks about 8 different colors in our color palette. So there's our first one. Now, alternatively, instead of right-clicking, we can go to Home, we can go to Format, and we can select tab color from up top here as well to do the same thing. So here's a second color. We'll do a third color here, a fourth, a fifth, and a sixth color, all from our theme color palette. Now that that's done, they've asked us to change the theme. So when this happens, all of these colors should change once we change our theme. So we are going to go to Page Layout. We're going to select Themes from the top left, and we're going to look for Retrospect. And Retrospect is in the second row here on the far right-hand side. And so when we select that, we should have different color tabs at the bottom here. So let's undo that and just confirm that our tab colors have changed. Sure enough, now there's a couple that have stayed the same, but the majority of them have changed to our new color that matches our new color palette. Next, we need to change worksheet names. So I'll go through a couple ways in which you might want to do this. First off, and this is probably going to be the most common way, is by double-clicking on the tab name. So by double-clicking here on Jan-Feb, I can now type in period 1. Sorry, let me do that again. There we go. So instead of Jan-Feb, it's going to now say period 1 by typing that in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Control Page Down to move to the next tab. And now I'm going to use a keyboard shortcut. So in order to do that, I'm going to hit Alt, H for Home, O for Format, and R for Rename Sheet. So Alt, H-O-R, and now I can type in period 2, Enter, Control Page Down, Alt, H-O-R, and period 3, Enter, Control Page Down, Alt, H-O-R, period 4, Control Page Down, Alt, H-O-R, period 5, Control Page Down, Alt, H-O-R, and period 6. So that wraps up the task for these particular practice examples. I'll see you in the next video.